Let's take a look at the pH of Windex, of household window cleaner. So we're going to compare it to an acid, a strong acid and a strong base. So I'm going to put some sodium hydroxide, a strong base, on the pH paper. And this is a pH of 14. So you can see we get that really dark purple color for that. Next, we're going to take some hydrochloric acid. That's a strong acid. And we'll put that on the pH paper. And you'll see from this that we get a pretty bright red. That shows us that we have an acid. pH right here is probably about 1. So when we think about Windex, the pH of Windex, if it's a base, it's going to be that darker color. If it's an acid, it's going to be more of a red color. So let's put some Windex right on that pH paper. And you can see it turns a pretty dark color. It's not as dark as the strong base that we use, the sodium hydroxide, but it's still pretty dark. And if we compare that to the pH scale here, it looks to be right about 10. So that would tell us that window cleaner has a pH of about 10 and it's a base. We can also put some of this ammonia on the piece of paper where we put the acid and it'll neutralize the acid. Eventually, that piece of pH paper that's red, it'll change to the same color as the one in the middle. This is Dr. B looking at the pH of household ammonia, most commonly sold as Windex. Thanks for watching.